Welcome to the west coast of North America during the Cretaceous period. Through this presentation, we hope to expand your knowledge about the geographical and ecological background of Larimedia and how it became today's North America. What we can now recognize as California used to be Larimedia during the Upper Cretaceous period. A vast sea called the Western Interior Seaway split North America into two distinctive pieces. This was between 145 and 66 million years ago. During this time period, sea levels were approximately 200 meters higher than the modern era, meaning land only covered 18% of the Earth compared to 28% coverage today. The Earth has changed dramatically over the past 165 million years. Many of the mountain ranges of North America, including the very famous Sierra Nevadas, was formed during the Cretaceous period. This process happened by tectonic plates pushing together at great forces. These events came to be known as the Laramidae and Nevadan orogenies.
During the Cretaceous period, the climate was generally warmer and more humid than present day, probably due to the high volcanic activity and unusually high rates of seafloor spreading at the time. Larimedia at the time had a humid subtropical climate and was home to a vast array of flora and fauna. Dinosaurs were the top predators on Earth during the Cretaceous. Larimedia had the greatest number of Mesozoic-era dinosaurs documented, including the dinosaur colloquially known as T-Rex, which dominated the landscape. The West Coast underwent major geological changes over time, such as the Western Interior Seaway causing a partition in the continent and the eventual formation of the Rocky Mountains, which started as a colossal trough. Larimedia eventually shifted and became the North America we know today, but was much smaller than Canada in the past due to large sections being covered by shallow seas. Erosion and deposition of the continent was caused by movement of the Earth's crust. The climate of the west coast of North America in the Cretaceous period differs from now as it was much warmer. The ecology and biodiversity of the Cretaceous era differs due to the very different climatic conditions in which organisms thrived. As the mass extinction drew closer, more of the smaller species began to prosper. Many placental animals, such as the North American opossum, came about during the Cretaceous era, and many are still present today. Other animals, such as snakes and lizards, innovated the distinctive features seen in today's species. Hesperornis was a Cretaceous genus of flightless diving bird that had large feet and sharp backward-directed teeth adapted for preying on fish.
Looking 100 million years into the present day, the geological history of the Pacific Northwest has shaped the unique geological features of North America. Such natural landmarks include the Cascade Ranges, a product of the subduction of the Farallon Plate under the North American Plate. The San Andreas Fault is another such feature created by the northward movement of the Pacific Plate against the southbound North American Plate. These plates continue to move in their respective directions at a rate of 8 centimeters and 2.3 centimeters per year. In contrast to the Cretaceous period's subtropical climate, the present-day climate of the Pacific Northwest is more temperate, enjoys higher rainfall, and sustains an environment mostly consisting of coniferous forests. This is theorized to be affected by the northward movement of the Pacific plates. Overall, the west coast of North America has shifted substantially over geological time.